In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a contact's details in your audience contacts. We'll start right from your dashboard. Look to the left sidebar and open the audience section, then select Contacts. This is where all your people live, subscribers, leads, and customers. So it's the best place to keep everyone's information accurate and up to date. If your sidebar is minimized, hover or click to expand it, so you can see the audience option clearly. Once you're in Contacts, find the person you want to update. The quickest way is to use the search bar at the top. You can search by email address or name to narrow things down fast. If your list isn't too long, you can also scroll through it to spot the contact. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right person, especially if you have similar names in your database. Next, open the contact's profile by clicking on their email address. This brings you to a detailed view where you can see everything tied to that contact: activity, tags, and personal information. It's a great place to double-check what's already there before making changes, so you don't overwrite anything important by accident. Now, click Edit on the contact details. This will unlock the fields so you can make updates. You'll usually find the Edit option near the top of the profile or close to the contact information panel. If it looks grayed out, make sure you have the right permission level for editing contacts. Go ahead and update the information you want to change. You can refine the name, adjust the phone number, add or remove tags, or update the address and other fields. Keep formatting consistent. Use the correct country code for phone numbers and standardize addresses so they're easier to filter and segment later. Tags can be especially powerful for organizing your audience. Consider adding tags that describe interests, status, or source so you can target them more effectively in future campaigns. When you're done, click Save to apply your changes. Give the page a moment to confirm the update, and then glance back over the profile to make sure everything looks correct. If you made a significant change, like an email address, make sure it's properly formatted so you don't run into delivery issues later. That's it. Simple and effective. Keeping your contact records accurate helps your messages reach the right people and improves your overall reporting. Thanks for watching, and keep your audience tidy for better results.